Your iPhone is widely trusted as one of the most secure and private smartphones in the world, especially because Apple talks a lot about user privacy. But the reality is that your iPhone is not as private as many people believe. Not because Apple is secretly spying on you, but because of how much data your iPhone collects in the background every single day. From the moment you unlock your iPhone, it starts recording how you use it. The apps you open, how long you stay on them, what you search for, and how often you return are all tracked as part of normal system activity. This information helps Apple and app developers improve performance and personalize your experience, but it also means your iPhone understands your habits very well. Location tracking is one of the biggest privacy concerns. Your iPhone can store a history of places you visit, how often you go there, and how long you stay. Even simple things like checking the weather, using maps, or allowing social media apps access to your location contribute to a detailed movement profile of your daily life. App permissions play a major role too. Many users quickly tap Allow when apps request access to contacts, photos, camera, microphone, or location. Over time, these permissions give apps a deep view into your personal data. While Apple provides privacy controls, most people never go back to review or limit these settings. Your photos and videos also contain hidden information. Your iPhone can recognize faces, locations, and objects in your images. Apple says much of this happens on-device to protect privacy, but it still means your phone is constantly analyzing your content to organize and improve features. Even Siri and voice-related features collect interaction data. Your commands, search requests, and usage patterns help improve voice recognition and responses. Apple emphasizes privacy protections, but this data still exists as part of system learning. So when people say, iPhone is private, what they really mean is that Apple gives you tools to control privacy. The problem is that most users never use those tools. Your iPhone is only as private as the settings you choose. The truth is simple. Your iPhone is not completely private by default. It becomes private only when you understand it.